welcome to our website. If you're here, you're looking for something. Maybe you're searching for a solution to a problem property that's stressing you out. Or maybe you're a professional who wants to build your business or grow your investments. Or perhaps you're just curious, wondering about the little B logo you've seen around and what it could mean for you. In a few short minutes, I'm going to walk with you through the B Pro Homes process and show you that we have the solution you've been searching for. I'm JD, and around me is a real-life example of one of our solutions. You can check out all the details in the Homes for Sale page, but simply put, we turned an unwanted problem into a best-case scenario for everyone involved. And the best part? We can do that for you too. Simply put, we're a solutions company. We approach real estate differently than most, using tried and true formulas in new ways. We're not reinventing the wheel. We're building on decades of experience and expertise from investors around the country to bring you a fresh real estate experience you won't find anywhere else. Using this knowledge, we've developed a business strategy that focuses on you as an individual. Whether you're buying or selling a home or working with us as a professional, we'll work beside you to find the answer that's best for your situation. Because we don't operate as a traditional real estate brokerage or construction company, we can provide services that other types of real estate professionals usually can't. We purchase properties in any condition, regardless of the situation. This is a real picture of the inside of one of our deals before we purchased it. We specialize in solutions that make the process easier and stress-free for you. This can include everything from all-cash offers to incredibly short closing times, to pre-foreclosure and bankruptcy assistance, relocation services, dealing with title issues, mold, water, and fire management. The list goes on and on. No matter what you've been told about your property or your situation, you probably have a lot more options than you'd think, and I'd love to show them to you. My family has lived and worked in Northwest Ohio for generations. B Pro Homes is our way of giving back. Check out the About Us page to learn more about our story, or read our Promise of Business Integrity under the Testimonials tab. Earlier, I promised to show you our process and help you feel more confident in the choices you're faced with. This is only the beginning. Remember, we customize our process around you or your business. Whether you're a seasoned industry professional or just trying to make your way in the real estate world, we'd love to help you reach your goals, whatever they are. If you're a contractor or a real estate agent, check out our profession-specific pages. Or check out the Sell Your Home page if you're looking to sell a house, the Buy Your Home page if you're looking to buy. You get the idea. I know that our solutions can work for you, and I'd love the opportunity to talk with you personally. Give us a call at 419-642-1700 to talk to us today, or send us an email at info@bprohomes.com. No matter why you're here, I'm glad you came. Let's make this the start of a successful conversation. I'll talk to you soon.